Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to start page numbering from page 2 in Word. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the. First of all, place your cursor right at the start of the second page, before anything else. Then go to the top of Word and go and click on Layout and go and click on Breaks and go into Section Breaks and click on Next Page. Now go to the top of Word again and click on Insert and go and find page number just here, and you can then choose where your page numbers will be. In this case I'll go and have them in the bottom middle like so. Now go and click on Link to Previous at the top, and you can go over to the left in Page and click on Page Number, and you then want to click on Format Page Numbers and go into Page Numbering and select Start At. Then go and click OK. Now you go and see that it's now starting at 1 o'clock on the second page. As you can see, but the page number is still appearing on the first page, so simply go and click on it, and you can just press and delete it like so by using the back button, and then you can go and close off the header and footer by double clicking, and that's it.